Right, this is the problem number 25. Let me solve for you. Divide a rupees 4,000 among A, B, C so that their shares may be in the ratio of 5:7:8. Let the shares, see they have given the ratio of A is to B is to C. We are supposed to divide in this ratio 5:7:8. How much amount we are supposed to share? That is 4,000 rupees. Right? 4,000 rupees we are supposed to share according to this ratio. We don't know, that's what I'm going to do. Let this A share will be 5x, B's share will be 7x and C's share will be 8x. Now we know that 5x plus 7x plus 8x is equal to 4,000. Right? Now add it. It's a very simple problem, right? So 8 plus 7, 15, 15 plus 5 is 20x. 20x is equal to 4,000. So x is equal to 4,000, that divided by 20. 0, 0 cancel, 2 ones are 2, 200. That's what x is equal to 200 because. Substitute the value of x here. So we are going to get A's share. That is A's share will be 5 into 200. A's share. That is nothing but 5 2s are 10, that is 1,000 rupees. A is going to get 1,000. Right. B, that is 7 into 200. B is going to get 1,400 and C is going to get 8 into 200, which is nothing but 1,600. The answer is here A's share is 1,000, B's share is 1,400 and the C's share is 1,600. In that 4,000 rupees. Hope you understood, right? Fine.